Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. With Mother's Day just around the corner, it is time to start thinking about how to show the special mom in your life just how much she means to you. If you are struggling to produce ideas, do not worry, we have you covered. In this video, we are going to share 5 creative and thoughtful Mother's Day ideas that are sure to make her day extra special. Our first idea is to surprise mom with a homemade brunch. Whip up her favorite breakfast foods, like pancakes, eggs, bacon, and fresh fruit, and serve it all up on a beautifully set table. Do not forget to include a special Mother's Day themed centerpiece or decoration to make it feel extra festive. You could even add in some homemade cards or drawings from the kids to make it a truly memorable experience. Next up, why not treat mom to a spa day at home? Create a relaxing atmosphere with candles, soft music, and essential oils, and give her a pampering session with a facial, massage, or pedicure. You could even create your own DIY spa treatments using natural ingredients like honey, coconut oil, and avocado. Not only will she appreciate relaxation and self-care, but it is also a wonderful way to spend quality time together. Our third idea is to plan a Mother's Day photo shoot. Set up a backdrop and some props and take some fun and silly photos together as a family. You could even hire a professional photographer to capture the moment and create some beautiful family portraits that mom can cherish for years to come. For a more personalized touch, why not create a homemade gift for mom? You can make her a scrapbook filled with memories and photos, create a piece of artwork, or even make her favorite dessert. The possibilities are endless, and it is a fantastic way to show how much you care by putting in the time and effort to create something special just for her. Finally, our last idea is to plan a surprise outing for mom. Take her on a hike or picnic in a beautiful park, visit a local museum or art exhibit, or even plan a day trip to a nearby town or attraction. The key is to choose something that you know she will love and that will create new memories for you to share together. And there you have it, 5 creative and thoughtful Mother's Day ideas to make mom feel extra special this year. Whatever you choose to do, remember that the most important thing is to show your love and appreciation for all that she does. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.